Let's look at this real quick. First of all, the H743 wing, the GPS is hooked to the CAN bus with the cable that came with the GPS, the M8Q CAN GPS, and the connection is into the center of the GPS. So that's how it has to be connected. Center connector. This one over here is a UART, and this is a I2C, I think. Not sure. So this is the M8Q CAN GPS hooked to the CAN bus in the center, hooked to the CAN bus on the 743. This has Ardu plane, current version 4.0.9 installed on it. One of the things that could make that not show up in that list is you have to power it externally with a battery. USB power will not power this compass / GPS. Has to be battery. And then if you look up at the screen, come in here, and that is on COM15 connect. There we are connecting. You can already see we have a 3D GPS fix with 10 satellites. I have done nothing to this firmware at all. This is a straight flash of Ardu plane version 4.0.9. You can see right up here at the top. I haven't changed any of the parameters. I haven't done any custom wiring on this. And we have, like I say, so if I come over here and set up optional hardware, UAV CAN, no, it does not appear in here until you scan the CAN bus. And also remember here, after enabling SL CAN, you will no longer be able to connect via MavLink for that session. You must leave the screen and wait 2 seconds before connecting again. So if I scan here, I do see my CAN bus GPS here, but of course you can't connect again, as it says, because I think they're using COM port to go straight to that. And it says you can leave this screen for 2 seconds. You must leave the screen, wait 2 seconds before connecting again. (1001), 1002. I hope that's 2 seconds. Connect. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, there it goes. So what they said was true. But the thing is when you come in here and go in here, you will not see that here. So the answer to your question is, down here on the thing, is make sure you're using the 4-conductor cable that came with the GPS, and you're connected into the center of the M8Q CAN GPS module. You're hooked into the CAN bus, the lower port of the H743 wing flight controller, and you do have a battery hooked to the flight controller. With all those things, with a fresh flash of Ardu plane, and no changes to wiring, no changes to firmware over in the config section, when you scan, you will find it. Elsewise, you have a open wire in the wires between the two boards, or you have a board problem on the flight controller or the GPS, because these should come out of the bags. The only thing you should have to do is flash RDuPlane onto the flight controller and then physically connect the M8Q CAN with the cable that came with it from the center CAN bus to the CAN bus on the flight controller. That is it. There is nothing else to do. So if that's not working, I would talk to my vendor and ask them for help. If that doesn't help you, doesn't answer your question, by all means, hit me back up and we'll try to attack it from another direction. Appreciate it.